Asante sana, Mheshimiwa Salat. Your Excellency, our President, the First Lady, Deputy President, and the family of our father, Mzee Moi. After the elections of 1992, nilikuwa kwa ofisi yangu jioni, nikijitayarisha kwenda kotini the next day. Secretary akakuja kwa ofisi mbio. Kaniambia iko mtu kwa simu anasema yeye ni Moi. Akasema put him through. Akasema hiyo siwezi. She had dropped the phone at the switchboard. Nikaenda, nikachukua simu, and the first thing Mzee said was, Moses, congratulations. Sikujua ni nini imefanyika. Akaniambia, you have been one of those I have nominated to go to Parliament. And that began my journey in politics. From there on, Mzee will be remembered for many things. One of the things you can remember Mzee for, he sought advice, he valued advice as a leader. Mzee led this country through very difficult times. Na sisi ambao alileta kwa uongozi, na ni wengi, we owe this great man a duty to hold this country together, to unite this country, and to give a sense of pride and belonging to each and every Kenyan. Early in the 60s, the devolution we are enjoying today was part of the manifesto of the KADU party that Mzee led with Mzee Muliro and Mzee Ngala. They believed in Majimbo for equitable development of the country. Today, as I finish, what do we remember Mzee for most? That at critical times, he chose against personal and partisan interests to hold the country together. In 1964, he crossed the floor after dissolving KADU to join KANU to hold the country together. In 1992, he agreed to the repeal of 2A to cool the tempo in the country. In 1997, he acceded to the IPPG process in Parliament to lower the temperature of politics and give the country peace. But the greatest of them all was 2002 after elections, when Mzee gracefully handed over the instruments of power to Mzee Kibaki and went into retirement. And you may recall thereafter, even with extreme provocation from some of the new enthusiastic leaders, Mzee Moi never answered back. Mzee Moi never commented on politics. Mzee Moi became a respected statesman that people could only go to for advice. It can't be any better than that. So my brother Gideon and your siblings, uphold the name and the legacy of Mzee Moi. He definitely left this country better than he found it. And we all owe that duty to our motherland. Don't ask what Kenya is doing for you. Ask yourself what you are doing for Kenya to make it a better place. Thank you, and may God rest Baba Moi in eternal peace, and those of us who walk the path that he set us to walk